you brought up this idea of the maintenance planner and scheduler going out into the actual field, seeing, technicians, seeing the job site. Do you believe planners should be involved in the actual maintenance practices? So we've heard two different trains of thought. One is you need someone who has field experience to know actually what it takes. But we've also heard this other component that, core focus on just maintenance planning and scheduling is absolutely key. Where do you think a maintenance planner and scheduler should come from, and what should their day-to-day look like?
Yeah, so absolutely. I strongly believe that a good planner is somebody who has the understanding of how the job needs to be done, and how the equipment works. But let me take a step back, because what happens a lot, people talk about planners and schedulers and merge the two roles. But like I said, I see those two really as quite distinct tasks, planning versus scheduling, and they have different kind of competency requirements. Somebody who's a planner, who's preparing the job for somebody else to do, needs to understand how to do that job, needs to understand what materials are required. And that's really somebody who has a technical, a trade background, a craft background. A scheduler could be somebody with a trade background, but can also actually be somebody who just has a good understanding or an oversight of how the plant works. It could be somebody with an ops background, or even somebody with a more administrative background, but it's all about managing the data in your CMMS or whatever system you're using. They're quite different, but I do absolutely believe that a planner needs to be somebody who understands the technical work that he or she is planning.